Hey, what's up, guys? Matt here from myrawintuition.com, and today we are going to talk about my mom's new AquaNui 8.5 automatic home water distiller. She's had it for about 2 months now, and previous to that, she had been using the Pure Water Mini Classic CT, and so I just wanted to get her experience to share with you guys on both machines and just kind of how they compare. So, Mom, how has your experience been so far?
The new one has been phenomenal as far as like I don't have to fill it and send it through a cycle every 3 hours a couple times a day to get my water. I just go over to the spigot and out it comes. It's been really nice.
Compared to the countertop, what pros and cons have you noticed?
Well, of course, filling the reservoir and getting it going was the downside to the mini classic, but this one it may be a little louder as well, but not by much. I mean, I still heard the other one going. It's just the convenience of not having to refill the reservoir and knowing that if I make soup and I use 10 gallons of water, I don't have to go and cycle for 8 hours to get that back. It's always at my disposal, right? Quick and easy.
Yeah, nice. And even with the countertop, I know you've mentioned it's still not really a big deal.
No, I struggled with, do I need this bigger automatic? Because I really, I've had the mini classics and for at least 8, if not 10 years, and I have had no issues with it. It's been, it keeps me and my husband supplied with distilled water. It's a little tougher when family comes, but we can still build it up. But it's just way more convenient with this AquaNui.
Yeah. So now, when the family comes, it's not even an issue.
No.
Now that we have the AquaNui.
Right.
Okay. So why do you like distilled water in the first place? Like, why do you want to distill your water?
The quality of the water you don't just know these days, like if it's good or not. And I know that I'm getting clean water. Yeah. When I have used the distillers, and like I said, I've had distilled water for 10 years.
Awesome. That pretty much sums it up. Anything final you want to share about either the distillers?
I would recommend either one. I mean, I have only had this one for 2 months, but I think we're going to like it, especially at the lake where we have a lot of company, and we just are a little bit ahead of the game that way with this bigger unit.
All right. Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing your experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, always follow your raw intuition.